Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I am going to do a quick Earle QVC Today's Special Value unboxing. I am so excited. I love Earle. They are one of my favourite skincare brands. They saved my skin when I was pregnant. I was breaking out all over the place. I was so uncomfortable in my skin and they just saved me so much. I'm a lifelong fan. I love them and I love this offer. So let me share it with you. So this is a 4-piece set, and if you bought all the items individually, it would cost you £134. However, because it's QVC, because it's a today's special value, it's actually going to cost you much less. It's going to cost you £59.95, and that is without P&P. There's no P&P on this. How amazing is that? Plus, if you're brand new to QVC, you can get £10 off with my refer a friend link, which I will put below. I will also put the shopping link below, so everything that you need is in the description box. So let me show you what you get. First things first, we of course get the iconic Cleanse and Polish Hot Cloth Cleanser. This is a 100ml tube and I love this stuff. It's amazing. Oh, it's so good. Hasn't this won like 100 beauty awards at this point? It's honestly one of the best cleansers in the world and it's incredible for all skin types and it smells like a spa. Next up, we have their Instant Boost Skin Tonic. This is a really beautiful toner. It kind of adds hydration. It gives you a little bit of spark, gives you a bit of glow. It kind of just does all the good stuff. It's amazing. I love it. It's such a hero in my skincare collection. It's so good. Next up, we have the Super Skin Moisturizer. This is a really beautiful moisturizer. Again, 75 mils, really generous. This is going to last you literally months. You can use it pretty much all summer. It's going to last you, I don't know, 4 months, something like that. Incredible. And you can use it day or night. Then next up, we have a brand new product. I've never tried this before because I think it is so new out. So let me show it to you. This is the Earle Super Skin Advance, and this is a cleansing balm. Inside the box, you get a brand new flannel, and then, of course, you get the cleansing balm. This smells really good. Oh, I love that. Okay, let's try it on my skin. Oh my God, it smells even better on your skin. It smells incredible. It's really light. It's got a lovely consistency. You know it's going to remove all your makeup. It's not going to strip your skin. It's going to make you feel really good. Oh, I feel like I need this in my life. I've never ever seen Earle do a cleansing balm before and I'm excited. So anyway, that is the deal. That is the 4 items plus of course the flannel. I can't speak today. It's £59.95. The P&P is free. And of course, if you're brand new to QVC, you can get £10 off your first order with my refer a friend link, which is below. Also, there are 2 different scents available. There is Neroli and Original. I have the Neroli. And I think that's it. Oh, yes. No, one more thing. It is only available until, I think, the 18th of May. So you literally have today, tomorrow, and the following day to buy it. And that is as long as stocks last as well. So if it sells out, you snooze, you lose. Just saying. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. I love Earle. I'm so excited about this offer and I just wanted to share it with you. Anyway, I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.